Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to forget a Wi-Fi network in Windows. If you're having trouble connecting or just want to remove an old network, this quick guide will help. Let's get started. Method 1. Forget a Wi-Fi network from the taskbar. 1. Click on the Wi-Fi icon. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray. 2. Find the network you want to forget. Click on Network and Internet Settings. In the Wi-Fi section, click Manage Known Networks. 3. Forget the network. Scroll through the list and select the Wi-Fi network you want to remove. Click Forget, and it will be removed from your saved networks. And that's how you forget a Wi-Fi network in Windows. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.